Yeah, I started.
Good.
Not now. Not now.
Not now.
End it.
बंद करो
End
अभी.
it 8:30. You start it again.
I started it.
रुक जाओ.
Sanjay, also keep a check whether someone is unmuting themselves or not, huh?
Yeah,
While
okay,
someone
sure.
other is performing. So just
Sure.
mute them, huh?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
Rajesh, I am going live.
Okay, done.
1, 2, 3, go.
Good evening, friends. Welcome to the much awaited show of IFRM 3240. Before we start, let me just inform you that we will be playing the national anthem, and I would like to request everyone to please switch off their videos when the national anthem is being played. I'm going to play the national anthem now.
Rajesh, we are waiting for the video to come in.
What happened?
इसको वीडियो डेस्कटॉप में इसको ऑन करना है यार, क्या करना है? इसमें वीडियो डेस्कटॉप पे ऑन नहीं हो रहा मेरे से. I'm extremely sorry. I'm unable to play the national anthem. Can anyone please do it?
Yes.
Just
Rajesh, if you can allow me.
okay.
This is Arijit.
Yeah, please do it.
Thank you. जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आज शुभाए गाहे तब जन मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे Jaya Hai, Jaya Hai,
Jaya
Jai
Jaya
Jai
Jaya
Jai
Jai. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the rescue. I'm extremely sorry. There was some technical lag immediately. My laptop got trapped with something wrong and I could not play it. I'm extremely sorry for that.
It's all right, all right, all right.
Ah. May I now request the MOC to please take over from here? MOC Tuhina Bhattacharya, please take over.
Thank you, Chairman, sir. Very good evening, everybody. Our independence has reached long 75 years, and this day is significant as it stands as a reminder of the sacrifices that many freedom fighters made to get independence from British colonialism of 200 years. IFRM 3240 chapter today giving salute to our motherland by offering a musical tribute. May I now request our charter member, respected IPDG of RI District 3240, Rotarian Subhashish Chatterjee, brief us about the post-75th Independence Day celebration. Rotarian Subhashish, sir, please.
Namaskar and good evening to everyone.
Good
Thank you
evening.
so much.
What a lovely, wonderful entrance you have come up with.
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you, MOC Rotarian Tuhina Bhattacharya, for igniting this spirit of freedom and patriotism in form of music. Friends, all of you know that IFRM, the International Fellowship of Rotarian Musicians, is a fellowship group across the globe where Rotarians and Rotarians' families take part into a musical bonanza. In 3240, we brought this chapter last year. This is the first fellowship chapter, any fellowship chapter of 100 fellowship that Rotary International has. This is the first and maiden chapter in 3240 that we started from the year 2021. And every month, we do some exercise with our musical interest, hobbies, and talents. This month is August. All of you know August is the auspicious month because in this month, India got its much awaited, much struggled, much sacrificed independence way back in 1947. The independence story is not new to us. We know how much struggle our freedom fighter did for this country to give us a fresh breath of independence. While we practice, we share our musical talents. We thought that this is the August month. Let's the IFRM 3240 chapter give a respect to its freedom fighters, to its noble souls who has given their life, their blood, their time, their family, everything, so that we can wake up in a morning where we have a freedom sun to lead us years after years. We have Rotarians, 23 members in our IFRM chapter. And as we have a practice every month, we are doing some exercise. We are coming up with a couple of our members performing and their family members performing and dedicated our evening to a particular cause. This is an evening where we have 3-4 hour members are committed to give their attributes on behalf of all the Rotarians of 3240 for the great souls, for the great name, and for great fought that our freedom fighters fought for us. I would request everyone kindly to tune this program till it is end. It is also available live on Facebook 3240 page. And I'm sure you will appreciate the IFRM members, the way they are giving their respect, their tribute to our motherland, India. I would request MOC to kindly take over and take it forward, and I'm sure at the end of the evening you will enjoy whatever the stuffs you are taking from here. Let me tell you, we are not a professional singers, anyone. Quote, we are all bathroom singers. But even though the music doesn't have any barriers, any greed, any culture or anything, it is a common language everybody can understand. So here also you might come to know some regional songs, but I'm sure you will like the rhythms, you will like the sentiments, and you will like the tone. With these words, once again I welcome you all in this IFRM 3240 Independence Day special, the 75th Independence Day special night musical attributes to our motherland. Thank you so much. Enjoy the music.
Thank you, Rotarian Shubhashish Chatterjee, for your beautiful crispy talk. छुड़ के नदियाँ हर दिशाओं से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के ओ मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा. Exactly. आप लोगों ने सही अंदाज किया. हम आज की शाम सुरों की लहरों में देश माता की वंदना करेंगे. We had with us today Rotarian Robin Kalita, a prospective member of our IFRM 3240 chapter from RC Guwahati South. We like to start our musical journey with you. Rotarian Robin, the platform is yours.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Can you hear me properly? Is
Yes, Ravindra.
the audio okay?
Yes, Ravindra.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm very thankful to you for inviting me and giving me an opportunity to be with you. It's a great organization for a great cause. At the outset, let me pay my tribute and my homage to all our heroes who got us the freedom. And today we are living free. So I will sing a song which I consider as one of the greatest ever in this kind of a situation. Just give me a minute. ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान. तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान. ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान. तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम, तेरे दामन से जो आए उन हवाओं को सलाम, झूम लूं मैं उस जुबां को जिस पे आए तेरा नाम, सबसे प्यारी सुबह तेरी, सबसे रंगी तेरी शाम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, माँ का दिल बन के कभी सीने से लग जाता है तू, और कभी नन्ही सी बेटी बन के याद आता है तू, जितना याद आता है मुझको उतना तड़पाता है तू, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आरज़ू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। छोड़कर तेरी ज़मीं को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम, छोड़कर तेरी ज़मीं को दूर आ पहुँचे हैं हम, फिर भी है ये ही तमन्ना तेरी ज़र्रों की कसम, हम जहाँ पैदा हुए उस जगह ही निकले दम, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी आबरू, तू ही मेरी जान। ऐ मेरे प्यारे वतन, ऐ मेरे बिछड़े चमन, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान। Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wow, what a good start for today's evening. Really amazing performance by Rotarian Ravinda. Morning
Thank you very
shows
much.
the day. We expect
Lovely.
really a good show by our Rotarians today.
I beg to leave. I have to actually leave. If you permit me, I need to leave. Actually, I've got an invite. So
Thank you, Dada. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Ravinda,
It's our pleasure that you could join.
so busy
Thank you so
time
much.
you have joined. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you so much.
thank you very much. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you.
If you have time, even on your move, you can tune to Facebook and you can enjoy that program because it
I'll
is
do that. Okay, I'll do that. Thank you very much and all the best. All the
Thank
best.
Thank you. Bid me goodbye, mother. Ekbar biday de ma ghure ashi is a Bengali patriotic song written by Pitambor Das. This song was composed in honor of Shahid Khudiram Bose, who was hanged by British at the tender age of 18. In this song, Khudiram is asking his mother to bid him goodbye. This song was sung by many stalwart singers, including legendary Lata Mangeshkar. We had with us Rotarian Sanchita Bhattacharjee from RC Raiganj, who will be entertaining us with her sweet melodious voice. Sanchita, are you ready? Sanchita?
Sanchita, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself, Sanchita.
Sanchita?
Namaskar. এবার বিদায় দে মা, ঘুরে আসি। একবার বিদায় দে মা, ঘুরে আসি। হাসি হাসি তোর হাসি দেখবে ভালো হাসি। আমি হাসি হাসি পড়ব হাসি দেখবে ভালো হাসি। একবার বিদায় দে মা, ঘুরে আসি। পরের বৌমা তৈরি করে দাঁড়িয়েছিলাম রাস্তার ধারে বাবু। বড় লাটকে মারতে গিয়ে বললাম আর কি মিলন ফাঁসি। একবার বিদায় দে মা, ঘুরে আসি।
কিছু হইতে গেলে Sanchita, how did that? Correct that I can do. আমাদের একটু কইতাম না যে নেটওয়ার্ক এর চেষ্টা করি। আওয়াজটা আছে তো ও দেখলা পরিষ্কার হয়ে গেল।
Thank you, Sanchita. For your next song, just try out your voice and track is too low. Just check it out for your next song. It should be proper.
Correct, correct. Absolutely correct. Absolutely correct.
Yeah. Toinabodi, over to you.
Our next artist who will be singing a patriotic song, the song which was favorite while we were kid and still now always we love to hear, and it shoots the seeds of patriotism at a very young age. Hope you have understood which song I am referring to. Yes, it is Nanna Munna Rahi Ho from the album Son of India, originally sung by Shanti Mathur. But today's artist is none other than Rotary like Akshita, student of class 4 of Maharshi Vidya Mandir, Guwahati, daughter of our IFRM member, Rotarian Anupam Aich. Here we go.
Good evening.
Unmute yourself, Anupam. Anupam, unmute.
Good evening. My name is Akshita Alch. Now I am going to sing a patriotic song. बोलो मेरे साथ जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद मन्ना रामू देशवासी बाबू बोलो मेरे साथ जय हिंद जय हिंद जय हिंद
Wow! क्या बात, awesome बेटा, awesome.
Thank you.
Excellent. Better.
Let's continue to the next part. Our brave soldiers at the border fighting for the motherland, and it tells the story of how the soldiers feel when they are away from home and the feelings of their families waiting for their loved one. Let's hear Shandesha Aata Hai from the movie Border, composed by Annu Malik and sung by Roop Kumar Rathore and Sonu Nigam. Rotarian Amarnath Prasad from Rotary Club of Bardhaman Greater is the singer. Amarnath ji.
Good evening. Thank you, Tuhinati. Good evening, everyone. Greetings to everyone on this 75th Independence Day celebration of IFRM 3240. As the MOC has said about the song, I'm not going into the details. Straight away reading from the song. Hope you like it. संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाते हैं कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम मिलने घर सोना सोना है संदेश आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं जो चिट्ठी आती है वो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे तो कब आओगे कि तुम ये घर सोना सोना है गुजरने वाली हवा पता मेरा इतना काम करेगी क्या मेरे गाँव का मेरे दोस्त को सलाम दे मेरे गाँव में है जो वो गली जहाँ रहती है मेरी दिलरुबा उसे मेरे प्यार का जान दे उसे मेरे प्यार का जान दे वही थोड़ी दूर है घर मेरा मेरे घर में है मेरी दूरी माँ मेरी माँ के पैरों को छू के तू उसे उसके बेटे का नाम दे गुजरने वाली हवा जरा मेरे दोस्तों मेरी दिलरुबा मेरी माँ को मेरा प्यार दे उन्हें जाके पूरे प्यार दे मैं वापस आऊंगा फिर अपने गाँव में खुशी के छाँव में के माँ के आंचल से गाँव के पीपल से किसी के काजल से किया जो वादा था वो निभाऊंगा
It was mind-blowing. Thank you, Rotary and
Marvelous,
Amarnath.
marvelous, heart-touching.
Now we have a mashup dhamaka. Bollywood old versus new song, the mix of five from the film Border, Kashri, Rosa, Sikandar-e-Azam, and lastly, the legend of Bhagat Singh. Over to Amarnath again.
देश है मेरा, ओ भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य अहिंसा और धर्म का पग पग लगता डेरा, ओ भारत देश है मेरा, ओ भारत देश है मेरा, देश मेरे मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरी जान है तू, देश मेरी मेरी जान है तू, तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाऊं, मैं गिर जाऊं से है की, तेरी नदियों में बह जाऊं, तेरी खेतों में लहराऊं है की,
What a performance! Hats off to you.
Thank you everyone.
We the Indians, wherever we are, in what situation we are, our hearts are always Indian. मेरा जूता है जापानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी. Oh, I am not the singer today. This is the last presentation of Rotarian Amarnath Prasad from the comedy film Sri 420, directed by Raj Kapoor, sung by Mukesh. Amarnath, please.
Manaji, please unmute yourself.
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये बदलूं इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये बदलूं इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी. निकल पड़े हैं खुली सड़क पर अपना सीना ताने, अपना सीना ताने, मंजिल कहाँ कहाँ रुकना है, ऊपर वाला जाने, बढ़ते जाए हम सैलानी, जैसे एक दरिया तूफानी, सर पे लाखों की रूसी, दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये बदलूं इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी. ऊपर नीचे नीचे ऊपर लहर चले जीवन की, लहर चले जीवन की, नादा है जो बैठ किनारे, पूछे राह वतन की, पूछे राह वतन की, चलना जीवन की कहानी, रुकना मौत की निशानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, मेरा जूता है जापानी. शहजादे हम सिंहासन पर जा बैठे जब जब करे इरादे जब जब करे इरादे सूरत है जानी पहचानी दुनिया वालों को हैरानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पगलू इंग्लिस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी दिल भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी
आपने
Thank
तो
you,
कमाल कर
thank
दिया
you, thank
अमरनाथ,
you.
आपने तो कमाल कर दिया अमरनाथ।
मैं अपनी बार बार टोपी को संभाल रहा था, कहीं रूसी तो नहीं है मेरी। Thank you so much.
Thank you. Moving on the next part of the program, our Bashundhara is full of riches and flowers. Our prayer of adoration of the Creator, singing praises of all the beauties and wealth of one's motherland. This time-honored song creates love in the heart as soon as it is heard. Deep love creates patriotism and the responsibility towards our country. This song is written by Dijendralal Roy. Now, we will hear the song Dhano Dhanno Pushpe Bhora from the Rotarian Dr. Pallavi Majhi of Rotary Club of Bardhaman. Pallavi ma'am, please.
Madam, unmute yourself. Pallavi madam, please unmute yourself. Unmute madam, unmute. Pallavi madam, please unmute. Pallavi madam, please unmute yourself, please. Yeah, it's okay now. It's okay. It's okay.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, we can hear you now.
Can you hear me?
Yes, we can hear
Pallavi,
you.
we can hear you. All the best.
Thank you, boss. ধনু ধান্য পুষ্প ভরা আমারে বসুন্ধরা তাহার মাঝে আছে দেশের সকল দেশের সেরা সেছে যত্ন দিয়ে তৈরি সেরে স্মৃতি এমন দেশটি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি চন্দ্র সূর্য গ্রহ তারা কোথায় উজাল এমন ধারা কোথায় এমন খেলে তরি এমন কালো মেঘে আমার পাখির ডাকে ঘুমিয়ে উঠি পাখির ডাকে জেগে এমন দেশ এত স্নিগ্ধ নদী কাহার কোথায় এমন নম্র পাহাড় কোথায় এমন হরেক খেতে আকাশ তলে মিশে এমন ধানের উপর ঢেউ খেলে যায় বাতাস কাহার দেশে এমন মিষ্টি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি পুষ্পে পুষ্পে ভরা সাথী গুঞ্জে গুঞ্জে গাহে পাখি গুঞ্জরিয়া আসে উলি পুঞ্জে পুঞ্জে ধে তারা ফুলের উপর ঘুমিয়ে পড়ে ফুলের মধু খেয়ে এমন মিষ্টি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো তুমি সকল দেশের রানী সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি সেজে আমার জন্মভূমি ভাইয়ের মায়ের এত স্নেহ কোথায় গেলে পাবে কেহ মা তোমার চরণ দুটি বক্ষে আমার ধরি আমার এই দেশেতে জন্ম যেন এই দেশেতেই মরি এমন মিষ্টি কোথাও খুঁজে পাবে না কো
Tuinadi, you take over. Pandavi got disconnected.
What a brilliant performance, Dr. Pallavi ma'am. Dil khush ho gaya, madam. We are in the last part of the musical tribute now. Better than the entire world is our Hindustan. We are its nightingales, and it is our garden abode. Kaare jahan se acha, one of the enduring patriotic poems of the Urdu language, written originally for children by poet Muhammad Iqbal in 1904, later turned out to be Tarana, a Hindi anthem of the people of Hindustan, comprising of present India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Many of the famous singers have voiced the song, including Lataji and many more. May I now request Rotarian Sanchita for your performance? Sanchita?
Unmute Sanchita, please.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
जहाँ से अच्छा जहां से अच्छा Thank you.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful.
I feel with the last motivated presentation of the evening, patriotic entity of everyone has been lit up. Thank you, Sanchita. It was just mesmerizing. Your first song has been disturbed due to network, but this time it was just superb.
Yes.
Thank you. Thanks again, Sanchita. I, on behalf of IFRM 3240 chapter, also welcome other Rotarians, guests, and members of different chapter with the chairs who has joined lately after our official welcome speech by our chairman. All good things come to the end, so also our evening program. May I now request our secretary, Rotarian Devashish Majumdar, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Toinadi. Am I audible?
Audible. You are audible.
At first, I want to take this privilege to thank our chairman, Rotarian Dr. Rajesh Vatsa, for allowing me to give vote of thanks on this auspicious evening. Also, I want to thank him for beautiful and short welcome address. I want to express my gratitude to IPDG and charter member Rotarian Subhasis Chatterjee for his marvelous and inspiring speech. I would like to thank Rotarian Robin Kalita for his beautiful song. I want to thank our little artist Rotary Akshita Aich for her beautiful song. I would like to express my gratitude to Rotarian Amarnath Prasad, Rotarian Pallavi Maji for their marvelous songs. Also, I would like to thank Program Coordinator Rotarian Sanchita Bhattacharya for this unique program and her heartfelt voice and tribute to nation. I would like to thank Rotarian Tuhina Bhattacharya for her excellent performance at MOC. I want to thank all the IFRM 3240 members and all the Rotarians of RI District 3240 present today evening with us. On behalf of IFRM 3240, I want to tribute to Nathan. Jai Hind, long live Rotary, long live IFRM. Thank you.
As MOC, let me thank Rotarian Devashish for your wonderful vote of thanks.
Thank you. Thank you.
Over to Chairman, sir.
Thank you so much, Madam Tuvina. You have done
Thank
a
you, sir.
wonderful job. Taking the opportunity, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to Rotary-led Sanchay, who had done a wonderful job
Yes.
in organizing the
Co-host.
yeah, he was the co-host and he had done a very great job for us.
Yes.
We also extend our thanks to the platform Zoom, as well as we extend our sincere thanks to the Facebook, who had given us an opportunity of going live on the Facebook. Thank you once again, everyone. Thank you for joining. I think, Subhashish, we can now end the live Facebook now.
Yeah, live streaming, I'm ending.
Okay. Thank
And
you.